Hi judges, we're NEURONEXT, and our mission is simple: rewiring access, rebuilding futures, one mind at a time. I'm Haripriya Anand, and along with my team, we're building a platform that bridges neuroscience research and the next generation of innovators, because we're not just building a product, we're building pathways into science that's never existed before. So here we see that our problem is that every year, thousands of students develop a passion for understanding the brain, but 95% of them never get to do real research. They can't find mentors, they don't know where to start, and they face rejection after rejection. That's happened to me as well. Meanwhile, neuroscience desperately needs new perspectives and diverse talent. So the problem here isn't the lack of interest, but it's a lack of access. The next big neuroscientist might already be out there, but without any support, they'll never get the chance. That's where we come in. We build NEURONEXT as a platform that turns neuroscience research from an exclusive idea into an accessible pathway. We use AI-powered matching engine that connects students to mentors and research projects aligned with their interests. We host curated neuroscience projects based on public data, and we create a collaborative study community where students can learn together. In short, we turn curiosity into collaboration and collaboration into contribution. Our market opportunity is primary high school and early college students, 14 to 22, and interested in neuroscience and STEM. Our TAM sits with a $90 billion education and research sector with an initial reachable audience of 100,000 students. And with AI in education, more students are seeking hands-on credentials and research experience. That's exactly what NEURONEXT provides. We see here in our business model, our key partners, value proposition, and customer relationships that are crucial to us for being and building as a company. Our key metrics are active users, publication, mentor-student matches, user growth rate, and revenue per user, where our North Star metric is very simple: the number of successfully completed student mentor research projects and student publications for each of the quarters. Our competitive landscape includes companies like Polygens, Lumiere Education, Pioneer Apps, and the problem with the first two is that they're very expensive and they're not very focused in on a specific field. Like Pioneers, for example, is also not very focused, and university programs are really expensive and also pretty competitive and have a lot of geographical limitations and limited spots, often only available to university students themselves. That's where our market positioning is really simple. NEURONEXT fills a critical gap in the STEM education by being that first platform to connect students, being open access and high quality research experiences, which would increase the platform's value and create such a defensive position, leading to our market strategy of strategic partnerships with universities and labs, AI-powered personalization that can tailor research opportunities, and an ambassador and school outreach programs through STEM clubs and competitions. In short, we meet students when they already are there. Our financial projections, as we can see here, are showing steady user revenue growth granted with these key assumptions. And we would have two kind of tiers, your freemium and premium, which would have monthly subscription, and still they don't get as near as the other competitors with thousands of dollars you would have to pay. We see here with projected 3 times ROI within the next 2 years, driven by scalable tech. We're spending most of our time with $500,000 just for research, innovation, and product development as our main key points. Our milestones and roadmaps are building that platform, scaling it to a lot of people, having accessibility to a research symposium and publications future on. We can see our quarterly agendas and goals for foundation launch, growth, expansion, and scaling and sustainability. Our users are, for example, students are already telling us that NEURONEXT would be able to fill the gap they've been searching for, giving them that access. And some of the feedback we've included were virtual competitions for certifications that would make it more motivating, and also having a great mentorship and leaderboard system or a recognition system where students can be more active and engaging with the platform. And we've actually demonstrated that in our model website. I hope you can see this. This is as if I'm the user. We can see the active projects, our points, and our available mentors available. This would be how it would look like as a model, where they would have their homepage right here, where they can see all these things. For example, for their profile, they can select their level, their availability, their research interests, find actual mentors that can guide them through things, and they can contact them with their skills. They can join projects and look at the time frame and see how many people are there and if that's actually something that's interesting them and the required skills that they would actually need. Some innovative community hubs where they can join groups, they can access, they can talk, they can answer questions of each other. And here's where we've took the feedback from our users. Some of them said that making more gamifying, having badges and earning points to have a community and wholesome community. And this is where we would measure our key metrics and geographic reach and our platform analytics. Overall, we are NEURONEXT, rewiring access, rebuilding futures one mind at a time. Thank you so much, judges, and we're ready for any questions that you have. Thank you.